Did you know that making just a few small changes to your daily routine can literally add years to your life? It's true. And even better, these changes can make those extra years happier and more fulfilling. But let's be real, who has the time for a complete life overhaul? Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of healthy lifestyle hacks. These aren't about extreme diets or impossible workout plans. We're talking about simple, easy-to-integrate tips that can have a massive impact on your long-term health and happiness. It's all about working smarter, not harder, to build a life you love for a long, long time. So why is it so hard to stick to a healthy lifestyle? Oh, you start the week with the best intentions. You've got your gym bag packed, your fridge is full of vegetables, you're ready to go. But then life happens. Your boss drops a last-minute project on your desk, the kids have soccer practice, and suddenly it's 8 p.m., and the only thing you have the energy for is ordering a pizza. Or maybe you just lose that initial burst of motivation. You skip one workout, then another, and before you know it, your running shoes are gathering dust in the corner. It's a cycle so many of us are familiar with. The feeling of being overwhelmed by our own schedules, the constant battle against cravings, and that little voice in our head that says, "I'll start tomorrow." The truth is, modern life isn't always set up to support our health goals. We're bombarded with convenience foods, sedentary jobs, and endless digital distractions. It's a genuine challenge, and it's easy to feel like you're failing. But what if I told you that you don't need to fight this battle with willpower alone? What if the secret isn't about more discipline, but about better systems? That's where these hacks come in. Let's start with your food. Forget complicated meal prep that takes up your entire Sunday. Try habit stacking. Do you make coffee every morning? While the coffee is brewing, take 2 minutes to chop up some fruit for your oatmeal or pack a handful of nuts for a snack later. You're stacking a new healthy habit onto an existing one. Another game changer is the one-plate rule for dinner. Fill half your plate with vegetables first, then fill the other 2/4 with protein and carbs. It's a simple visual cue that ensures you're getting a balanced meal without having to count calories. Now, for exercise, don't think you need to spend an hour at the gym. Try exercise snacking. Every hour, get up from your desk and do 20 squats or a 1-minute plank. It sounds small, but that adds up to a significant amount of activity throughout the day. It keeps your metabolism firing and breaks up long periods of sitting. And finally, let's talk about your mind. Mindfulness doesn't have to mean sitting in silence for 30 minutes. Try the 5-4-3-2-1 grounding technique whenever you feel stressed. Name 5 things you can see, 4 things you can touch, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste. It pulls you out of your anxious thoughts and into the present moment. It's a 2-minute reset button for your brain. These are all small hinges that can swing big doors in your health journey. Now, I want to share the one hack that completely transformed my energy levels and my mood. It's so simple, I almost didn't believe it would work. It's called the first hour, last hour rule. For the first hour after I wake up, and the last hour before I go to sleep, I put my phone away. Completely out of sight. I used to wake up and immediately scroll through emails and social media, which just filled my head with stress and comparison before I even got out of bed. At night, I'd scroll until my eyes were blurry, and then I'd wonder why I couldn't sleep. By replacing that screen time with something else, everything changed. In the morning, I now spend that hour stretching, hydrating with a big glass of water, and just sitting with my coffee, thinking about my day. It's my time. At night, I read a book or listen to a podcast. The first week was tough, I won't lie. But after that, I started sleeping deeper than I had in years. I woke up feeling genuinely refreshed, not groggy and anxious. My focus during the day improved, and I just felt calmer. It's not about what you do in that hour, but what you don't do. You're protecting your peace at the 2 most crucial points of your day. It costs nothing, but the return on investment for your mental and physical well-being is absolutely priceless. If you try just one thing from this video, please let it be this. So, to recap, we've talked about habit stacking your nutrition, exercise snacking to stay active, using the 1 plate rule for balanced meals, and the 5-4-3-2-1 trick to manage stress. Simple, right? These small hacks can add up to a major positive change in how you feel every single day. What are your favorite healthy lifestyle hacks? I would love to read them, so drop a comment down below and share your wisdom with the community. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe button and check out my other videos for more tips on living your best life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.